Hey guys, Amr here from iPor Realty and Condobrokers. Today I'm excited to share our latest listing. We have an assignment sale in Oshawa. It's a detached 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom property that's almost 2,700 square feet. The property has lots of upgrades. 9-foot ceilings, hardwood flooring, oak stairs, and Caesar stone countertops. Even the elevation has been upgraded. There's brick, stone, and stucco on the exterior. The property is in a great location. It's minutes from parks, restaurants, shopping. Overall, it's a great property, and of course, it won't last. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 416-992-4236. Thank you. And of course, if you're looking to buy an assignment or you've booked a unit from the builder and you're looking to assign the unit, feel free to give me a call. Or just in general, if you're interested in how this assignment process works and you're looking to purchase a pre-construction and perhaps assign it, either way, feel free to give me a call. We can definitely help you out. Thank you.